I don't think you told me action. Oh, watch Renzo. Good jumping, guys. Nice. That was a nice hit. Nice job.
He said nice job.
Because I know you can't reach.
And you are trying to save me?
No, I knew you were saving yourself. I'm just here if you need a rest.
Mama!
Yes, Renzo? Reach, reach.
Mama!
Yes?
Come here!
I'm coming.
You pee in here?
No, I don't pee in the pool. Yuck.
Why?
Because it's dirty. People let this water be in their mouth. We all have to pee out of the pool. That's why there's a bathroom.